Hello everyone, welcome to the second lecture on the topic business activities. In this lecture, we will be studying in depth what is industry, commerce and trade. So as I have already told, that business activities may be broadly classified into actually three categories, that is industry, commerce and trade. So under commerce actually comes trade. So I have written it can be divided into two categories. So this is industry. So industry is concerned with the making or manufacturing of goods. So the raw materials are basically collected and then the raw materials are converted into finished goods. So that is what is industry. So it is that constituent of production which is involved in changing the form of goods at any stage from raw material to the finished product. Example, weaving woolen yarn into cloth. So thus industry imports form utility into goods. So industry basically refers to economic activities, that is conversion of resources into useful products, and this term industry is applied for those activities in which mechanical appliances and technical skills are involved. So in a broad sense, we can say that the term industry means a group of firms producing a similar or related goods. For example, we can say tea industry. Tea industry means what? Those industries which are referring to all the tea gardens producing tea. Okay, so this is just an example. And sometimes it also means breeding, then raising of animals. These are also industries. Next we will move to classification of industries. Industries again can be classified as to the types of goods produced, scale of investment and the type of technologies that they are using. So on the basis of type of goods produced, industries can be defined as primary and genetic industry, extractive industry, construction industry and manufacturing industry. So extractive industries are basically those industries that in which they extract products from natural resources such as earth, sea, air, then farming, mining, lumbering, hunting, fishing. These are some of the examples of extractive industries. Genetic industries are basically, which means parentage or heredity. Like these industries are engaged in breeding plants and animals for their use in further reproduction. So for breeding plants, the seeds and nursery are the examples of genetic industry. Construction industry, the industries which are related to construction work, and manufacturing industries, definitely those kind of industries which are related to manufacturing process. Next, on the basis of size and investment, industries may be further divided on the basis of size and investment into large scale industry and small scale industry. Then we will move to on the basis of technologies used. Different units use different types of technology. So industries which rely heavily on machines, those can be termed as heavy industries, and light industries are industries they use machines, but they are not directly dependent on machines for all the works. Okay, so next, trade. So trade refers only to the buying and selling activities which form a part of business activities. So the buying and selling, you are buying something, then you are producing it, and then you are selling. So this activity is nothing but trade. So the word trader is often used to describe business firms such as wholesalers that are primarily engaged in buying and selling activities. Also, the word trading is used more often to describe buying and selling activities involving large quantities between the traders rather than selling to retail customers. Then usually imports and exports involve buying and selling of large quantities between traders, and therefore it is more common to use term trading for such activities. So this was just a general idea that I wanted to give you about industry and trade. So thank you everyone. I hope this will be a help to you to understand what is industry and what is trade.